welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to play one video as a loop wise again and again, no matter which smart television you are using. First of all, I will show you. I just copy one of the video in my pen drive. Then same pen drive we can attach on my TV and then I will show you. So this is my laptop screen and this is the video I want play, repeat and repeat. This is my pen drive. I just simply copy here this video. So video is copy. So here is my TV and here is the TV remote. We can connect the pen drive first of all to my TV. So first of all we can connect the pen drive here. So pen drive is connected. Now I just simply turn it on the TV. Now I just simply enter here in the media player. It means the pen drive. So here is our video. I just simply play this video here.
If you like this video, before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
The video is not playing repeat mode, but if I again play here and I pause,
before leaving, please subscribe.
And here click three dots, and here if I click here repeat mode, previously I off and then go back, and if I play here again video,
Subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe
now the video is a play repeat again and again. Look at this. Now is a end. Again play automatically. I am not doing anything. So using this process, you should repeat loop mode any video in your television, no matter which types of television you are using. Currently I am accessing on Sony, so you should apply these tips and tricks and repeat any types of video in your smart TV. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving,
please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.